Hey.
Hey, hi Sandeep. It's
Hi.
nice to meet you at WordCamp
Sure,
Pune.
same here.
So, can you just tell me something about yourself?
Hey, I'm Sandeep. I'm trying to. So, in today's world, right, you do shopping from mobile, it is still not a good experience. And if you are someone who is using WooCommerce, WooCommerce merchant, so your shoppers are facing latency at every stage,
Right,
going from listing page to product details page.
to check
And
out.
right, so I'm trying to increase this velocity for your shoppers to reduce the bounce rate and increase the conversion rate.
So you said mobile shoppers, right? So you are focusing on mobile first, right?
Right, because there are reactive technology already available for desktop. When users hover, the prefetching starts, and that way they save the click time. But on mobile, there is no hover, so there is no reactive technology for mobile. So I'm building this predictive technology using AI, which predicts where your shoppers can click next, and it prefetches those pages in advance.
All right. So you said you're working on WooCommerce, right? So WooCommerce is what you call a byproduct of WordPress, of
Correct,
Automatic
correct,
itself, right? It's a
correct.
brand under
Right,
Automatic, the parent company of
right.
WordPress. So when did your WordPress journey actually start? Can you tell us something about that?
So my WordPress journey started long back when I was in college, almost 15 years back.
The
Uh,
year, exact year. So 15 years would be
It was like
2010, 2000.
2010, around 2010, when I first came to know about WordPress, and since then I'm using it.
Okay. And when did you come to know about the community, WordCamps? Are you from Pune itself?
I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Okay.
When I got my first job, then I moved to Pune,
Okay.
and I think last 7 to 8 years I'm in touch with WordCamp and the team here.
So as you moved to Pune, you came to know about
Yes, yes,
WordCamps and the WordPress community as a
right,
whole.
right.
And prior to that, 7, 8 years, you were actually
I was
doing
just
what?
using WordPress without like online, just with the help of online community.
Right. So you were doing it by yourself, right? So so once you came to Pune, you got a job, you entered the community. Did you find a major shift? Did you take the next gear? Like, did you put the accelerator on the pedal and you just zoomed ahead, right? Did that happen actually? Because when you learn things at your own pace, and then when you're in a group of people who are doing the same thing, the graph just takes a big spike and a big curve on top, right?
Exactly.
So did the same thing happen to you?
Exactly, same thing happened to me. So you see, initially I was just a WordPress consumer. I mean, I was building simple websites and applications using WordPress. But then later, as I started and the e-commerce industry boomed in India, I started realizing this gap in the e-commerce industry. And then, like from just a simple consumer, I started contributing to this space, and now I'm building this.
So, so what did you see in this last 7 to 8 years? From WordCamps to WordPress to WooCommerce. What did you see? Can you tell us something about your experience?
So as I joined this community, it's continuously growing. And earlier, my thinking was pretty narrow. I was able to think of just limited use cases of WordPress. But as I'm meeting more people and attending these WordCamps, I'm able to discover more use cases of WordPress and understanding how powerful it is to solve multiple different use cases.
Which was your first WordCamp?
I don't recollect, but I think it should be around 13 or 14 I attended in Pune.
So WordCamp to Pune
Yes,
2013 or
yes.
2014. Have you explored any other WordCamps across India?
I didn't get opportunity yet, but I am hoping to attend WordCamp Asia this year.
So what do you like most about the format of WordPress, WordCamps, the community, meetups? What do you like most about it?
I think the sessions that we are having, where newbies can come and share, like gain the expertise from experts around the industry. That's the most thing that I like.
No, but if you see WordCamp Pune has actually moved to a next gen, right? So in 2013-14, it was the traditional way of conferences.
Right.
Even my first WordCamp was WordCamp Pune 2019. So I saw it going from the conference way to the workshop way. So 2019 and 2020 COVID happened. Then they came back in 2024 and they started saying that okay, now we'll only have facilitators and we'll have workshops in the morning, workshops post lunch. That's it, done.
Right.
So what would you have preferred the most? Do you prefer the conference part of it or you prefer the workshop part of it?
I obviously prefer the workshop part of it because here this format allows us to share more experience with number of people on different topics.
And it's more eased and paced learning.
Yes, yes.
So how would you like to summarize your journey so far? So 2010 you started, now we're in 2026. So 16 years altogether, doing it yourself, coming into the community, working full time. the job.
Sure.
How would you like to summarize it, and what message would you like to give to the viewers?
Sure. So initially, when I started, as I explained, with just narrow use case, I was thinking of limited use cases. And then during my journey, along with my journey, I discovered more use cases, and then I also started realizing the gap where I can contribute. So a message for other people as well: WordPress is open source. Please contribute if you find a gap or think you can improve somewhere.
I think it has a place for everyone as well, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So take benefit from the community and benefit the community as well.
Thank you, Sandeep. It was
Thank you
nice
so
meeting you
much.
at WordCamp Pune.
Same
Have a
here.
great WordCamp.